Jafar Naqvi, one of the coordinators of this program. Idea behind this Agritech and FoodX is a very unique idea. We used to have exhibitions of farmers where farmers will come and will try to sell things to the farmers. On the other hand, we used to have exhibition for food where we'll try to promote only the food. But this exhibition we have joined the two, where the farmers can produce what the industry requires and industry can directly source from farmers. So in a way, this is truly a B2B connection between farmers and between the food processors, grain tech industry, like what kind of atta we required. We need a special grain, but who is the farmer growing it? So that's the reason we thought that there must be an exhibition where farmers will directly interact with the industry so that world-class produce can be grown in India and exported for the world market to make India a truly food Vishwaguru. So this is an exhibition. In 16th years, the program started 16 years back in Bangalore, and it has been increasing every year. This year we have different products from over 300 companies connected to food processing sector and about 250 companies products connected to agricultural technologies and modernization of agriculture, whether it's a dairy, whether it's poultry, whether it's commercial floriculture or hydroponic, all kind of products are on display. So it's a place, if you want to start your agri-business startup, this is the place to be. Please come 1st to 3rd August at BIEC. We welcome all farmers and the entry is free for everybody.
What will be the output of this exhibition?
The exhibition has been growing everywhere, which speaks about its output in terms that there are many farmers who have been coming here, who come with their dream and then start their project. Those small farmers who started with some like 1,000 square meter floriculture farm have now become 50-acre farms, and they are growing. On the other hand, there are many people who started something small like samosa, and they are doing a big business. So it's a kind of concept where we teach the farmers and young entrepreneurs that agri business is the future business, and you can come all join us. So all kind of technology are available here.
How many farmers are
Have your footfall from 20,000 to 50,000 in 3-day exhibitions, and let's hope this year that it is increasing. We are trying to increase the footfall. Let us see how it turns out.
So I'll also speak a few words. Good morning. I'm Ratna Prabha, former Chief Secretary, Karnataka, and on retirement, along with the 7 other women entrepreneurs, we have started an NGO called Ubuntu Consortium for Women Entrepreneurs. So today we are here participating with the Agritech and FoodX exhibition. Our women entrepreneurs have put up a stall, and we are very confident that most of these women here who have come and put up their stalls will get very good business, and they will get a good exposure to the various technology in agriculture. There is also a seminar, Women in Agritech Business. So the women will be exposed to various new technologies, new ideas, new innovations where they can upskill and upgrade their businesses.
ಅಗ್ರಿಟೆಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫುಡ್ ಗ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೂರು ಸೇರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು 16ನೇ ಎಡಿಷನ್ನು. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಗಳು ಲೋಕಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಟೆಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂಥ ವಸ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಈಲ್ಡ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಹ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಫುಡ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಬಹುಶಃ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಜನ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.